Check this out, guys. I actually found this stuff the other day, but it's been a while since I could get in here with the camera. Check out this old machine. Some kind of a grain hopper or something. It's cool that the wood's still on it. Probably from the 50s or 60s. Look at the big hub on there. Check that out, eh? Is that an engine? No. What the heck is that? Oil here. Hardy? Never heard of it. That does, though, look like a little engine, doesn't it? 3 pistons. Crankshaft here. Let's see if I can step back. Be a nice frame for a trailer. I think it is some kind of an engine. No, actually it ain't, because it was PTO driven, so... And a hydraulic pump, maybe. I see that now. Yeah. Part of an old jack. Does that say Ford? Interesting. See, there's a whole bunch of old bottles and stuff here too. Sussex. That was ginger ale, I believe. Sussex, New Brunswick. Yeah, I believe that, though. That was a hydraulic pump of some sort. What's left of an old license plate. Some old cans and tires. We're gonna move up here a bit. Here's an old machine. Check out them big old wagon wheels. Oh man, they'd be nice to have. Big job to get them out of here though. Let's see if we can get around the back. Oh, sorry for the camera. There we go. What do we got down here? Look at that big old wheel, man. I wonder what this was used for. Sure, somebody will let us know. Cool. Have a little gander here too. What do we got there now? Hmm. What the heck? Might have to go down here a little deeper. It looks like it was cleared out at one time. Could be stuff way back there. See an old barrel over there. Not too exciting. Oh, let's move down the line a little more, guys, and see what else we can find. Check this one out, guys. What is that contraption? One, two, three, 4 wheels. Huh. Don't see any names or anything on it. Check out this old shed, boys. Now we're in the 70s. All this stuff worked here when it was parked in here. The gentleman who owns this doesn't farm anymore. There's an oldie. Look at that. It's been sitting there so long, it's sunk right in the ground. Go see. That'd be a nice one to have. Old manure spreader. wind's got to pick up. Henry. That was for lifting hay bales up on the truck. Henry bale loader. See another old wheel in there. It's right out across there. It's a long wheelbase. There, get out of the wind for a minute. It looks like it's going to be about it, guys. It's hard to film when it's windy out. So I hope you enjoy the video, and until next time, thanks for watching.